Hello friends, सबको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will create a restore damaged photo using a powerful function of OpenCV Inpainting. So first of all, let me show you how it's working. So let me run this cell. So this is your damaged photo. Okay, you can see this is a photo is damaged, and we have restored it somehow. We have restored somehow something here. We can get a restored photo of damage. So let's get started. How we are doing it? So let me first read this line. In this lesson, we will learn all damage photo and bring it all back to life using OpenCV powerful function in painting. Discover how image painting can be filled, cracks, remove, scratch, and restore missing details. Okay, let's get started. So these are the libraries which we use. This is not one. Okay, now here first we read the image. Okay, here we're reading the image path will be there. Then we read the image which we want to restore. Then here we mark damage, means we want to read that image into grayscale. For that we use 0 value here. Okay, same image we read for image in our it means same image we read in grayscale. Now what is happening here? See this function, what is happening here? See, first to convert marked image, means this grayscale image, into binary image. Already in a binary image, not in a binary image, some pixel value will be 125. Okay, but we want to make it binary image. So white means damaged area, black is equal to normal area. What is 195 here? Threshold value. Pixel with intensity greater than 195 are treated as damaged, means white one. Pixel less than 195 are treated as normal, means black one. Okay, and 255, what is meaning? Maximum value will be there. Pixel classified as damage and set to pure white. This way this function give me threshold 1 and red. Okay, and you use cv2 threshold, mark damage 195 and 255, and cv2 cv2 threshold binary. This way we generate the binary image. In this black part will be the normal and white part will be the damaged part of the image. Okay, after that what we are doing here? I think I have thresh 1. See, thresh 1 and the thresh 1 will be there. So this is thresh 1. After using the threshold, you can see this is an image or threshold image. Okay, so this part is a damage part. After grayscale, this part is damage part. So here it's getting the damage part here. Okay, this part is damaged, so this part is damaged, so this is a line. But you can see that is that here it is not that much you can say pixels are not clearly visible, but which part is damaged here. So how we can do that? We have to dilate the photo. How we can do that? For that we use first we create a kernel 7 by 7 is a small matrix for dilation. Dilation means we increase the edges or increase the pixels around it. Okay, used to control thickness of the mask. Okay, thickness we want to control here, using dilation. So dilate the binary image to make damage area thicker. For making the damage area thicker, we use dilation here. For that, we just pass the threshold 1, then the kernel, and iteration 1. Use inpainting cover fully damaged region. So this way, after dilation, after increasing or thicker, making the thicker damage area thicker, this image we will get. You can see it. Now we can get thicker area of the damage. After that, we just show that image. Means I am writing that image used for impression and debugging. Okay, then after that what we are doing here? It will not work. It will not work here because images folder is not there, but now it will work. After that, what is happening here? Restore. Now in painting, the main function is used here. Here we just passing the image, means the original image here, this one, and the mask which we have created after dilation, this one. And 4, what is the use of 4 here? Inpainting radius define how far OpenCV look around a damaged area to collect surrounding information for filling. To filling that area, damaged area, which how far the OpenCV had to do. For that we it's use 4, means inpainting radius will be there, and this is inpaint TELEA. Okay, this is restore damage region using nearby pixel. This way it's work. After that we convert that image into RGB, then restore we also that convert it into RGB. Okay, Then we have to plot all the images one by one. For plottation of images one by one, how many images we have? 5 images. For plottation of 5 images, we have to create 2 into 3, 6 images plottation we have to done, but we have to plot 5 images. For that, we just use zero index value will be for first image, is original image. Then we want to plot marked damages. This one means grayscale image we are plotting. Then we plotting the threshold one. After threshold means after we want to highlight the damage area. For that we use threshold. For that purpose we have to threshold binary image. After dilation means making the damage area thicker. We use mask one. And one more thing, why I'm using cmap gray, cmap gray, cmap gray? Why we are using here? Because all these three images are in a gray format, and to display the gray image in the I am using a matplotlib, you have to use cmap gray here. Okay, it's compulsory. After that, just be restore it. Means file it, retrieve, or you can say restore image we are plotting. So now let me run it. So this way it's working. This is damage area, this is damage photo. First we convert that into the grayscale. After converting that image into grayscale, we convert that, we use threshold threshold that image and highlight the damage area. After highlighting the damage area, we dilate the damage area and make it more thicker. This way we make it more thicker. After making it thicker, we just use the inpainting function and we get the restored image. This is for the image damage. You can say this mask we are this is mask one, okay, which we are using. There is no need to am, right? So let me raise it down. Now we work on second image. I have worked on second image. Now it will be for what first image. Now let me see the result of the first image. So this is the damage photo and this is your restore photo. Okay, very much restoration is done by this method in painting. So this way we restore the damaged photo. I have explained each and everything line by line how we can do it, which steps we have to follow. First step will be grayscale. Then the highlight means converting the image into binary grayscale. Then highlighting the damage area. Then dilation of the damage area. Then we just use the inpainting function. So this way we restore the damaged photo. Hope you understand each and every line. Okay, I have tried my best to explain you each line clearly. So please like, share, and subscribe my video channel. Thanks to all.